Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop and welcome to the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway announcement.
Yes, we would like to invite you to join us on December 18th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time, and that will be a Friday, our regularly scheduled second live stream of the month.
Yeah, so many of you don't know this, but I screwed that intro up like 3 times prior to getting it right, so woohoo! Yay me! All right, it is going to be a Merry Christmas after all. So, what is the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway live stream? You may be asking yourself, and if you're new to the channel, this is something that Jessica and we started doing about 2 years ago, I think it was.
Yep, we've had 2 now.
Yep, we've had a total of 2, so this will be the third one, right?
Third annual.
Yep, this is the third annual. I guess we'll have to start calling them that, huh?
Yeah, we will.
So basically what we do is at the end of the year, as our way of saying thank you to all of our subscription out there and all of our blacksmith family online and the blacksmithing community online, our way of saying thank you and spreading joy and cheer during this time of year is to give back. And that's kind of the goal of this thing. We have had some awesome donators to this stream this year, and we hope to continue to grow this each and every year and have even more and more epic things like what you see here. Of course, we've got so much more coming for the live stream, but we just mocked up this little display to kind of just show you a small sampling of what will be up for grabs at the giveaway.
We did, yeah. Some of these items we'd had on hand for months now, just in preparation of Christmas, and we know we want it to be a big extravaganza. And then, so many of the community members have donated items as well, which we are super thankful for.
Thank you very much.
Everybody's taking ownership of the blacksmithing community here, and we are very grateful for that. Yeah.
And so some of the people have really reached out in a big way. Just to name a few is Uncle Buck's Forge. Uncle Buck's Forge is providing the guillotine tools this year that you see here and here. And also there's one down below here that's kind of propping up a pair of tongs. That's an entire kit that you could put together yourself. He came out in a big way at the beginning of this year, actually, because he knew about it. So that was really great and grand. So we'll have some guillotine tools to give away because of that. Yamez, big friend of the channel, huge help always. Love you, Yamez, man. He's great. At Island Metal Forge, be sure to check out his channel. I will try to leave everybody linked up in the description so you can go check them out. But Yamez at Island Metal Forge, he sent over Santa's Little Helper. That actually just came in
10 minutes ago?
Yeah, 10 minutes ago before we set this up in the mail. But it's a little 2-pound cross-peen kind of stylized after my hammer. And it's literally got Santa's Little Helper stamped into it.
It's really nice hand-burned handle there, too.
Yeah, and I believe it's 1045, and it's kind of made to my specs. So it really, really works out great. So thank you, Yamez, for sending that out. That is just absolutely awesome of you. Another contributor that came out in a big way is Wiley Rook, right? Bladeworks. Is that it? Right? Yeah. Wiley Rook Bladeworks, I think, here on YouTube is the screen name. It came out with some great little Kiradashi, some marking carpentry tools there. So that's going to be awesome. We'll have 2 of those to give away. Again, awesome done, really well fit up, nice, really nice job. We will also be giving away a 66-pound Acciaio Anvil as well during the stream. That makes Anvil number 12. However you do that with your fingers. This plus that. So
yeah. It's the big brother to this little one here.
Yeah, it's the big brother to the little one there. It's just a little dual horn. That'll make the 12th one that we've given away this year. So this was the year of the anvil. We're excited about what 2021 will be. We've got a name picked out on that. Comment down below if you got some suggestions of things you would like us to give away on a regular basis in 2021. That'd be great. So, but yeah, we've got also some other people to mention as well. We had Possum Sauce. No, this is Couch Forge Company. Was this?
Oh,
here?
The tongs. Yes.
Yep, the tongs were provided by Couch Forge Company. These are Ken's custom iron tongs that were cut out. We'll have like 4 pair of those to take a giveaway during the stream. We have our own blanks. I got these set up. This is what they make. Our own. We'll have skillet blanks to give away. We will have spatula and ladle blanks to give away, cross blanks, you name it, all sorts of blanks because we have a CNC bed now and we've been cutting blanks. You can check out more of that over at blacksmithpdfs.com if you're interested in purchasing any of those. But we'll be giving a ton of those away in the stream as well to help you all out there making projects for your family and whatnot and friends. And then, then we had Possum Sausage. He donated and had donated quite a few, actually, Flint and steel strikers. So we've got one left of those that we'll be giving away. And just so much more.
Drayson's Forge.
Drayson's Forge, we got some keychains. I'm trying to look over here. I'm trying to remember all the names. I'm bad with names. But yeah, we got Drayson's Forge, the Barretts they gave us. Not only some little miniature copper tongs, which are awesome, but also some little miniature rose keychain things forged. Again, this community is so awesome. It's amazing. You know, beyond the blanks, the rest of this was all donated by somebody in the community, in the blacksmithing family here on YouTube. And so if you're new here and this is the first time you're seeing this channel, you should hit that subscribe button. You should set the bell for all notifications. But most importantly, really get involved. Just get involved in this awesome community that's here on YouTube and sharing of knowledge, you know. It really is a great platform for that. And there are a lot of awesome people that you'll never meet unless you start chatting with them, you know, and you never know. You might be making lifelong friends when you're chatting somebody up on the internet.
And the best way to do that is our live streams. You know,
exactly.
Get to real-time interaction.
Yeah, exactly. So there's usually quite a few people at our live streams, and it's fun to go back and look at some of the side conversations that go on. A lot of people come to our channel. They become good friends. People meet other ways. You know, they meet on our channel, and then they go have hammer-ins and other things, you know, outside of our channel, which is just awesome to hear about. You know, people hook each other up with tooling or links to different stuff, you know, to go different places and find what they need. And we are just I'm super proud and I'm super blessed to be in such a position that we can kind of be that little bit of a hub. Or as we said in the last, as we said in the last live stream, the nucleus, the soft, gooey center of the blacksmithing community. I'm not quite sure I'm happy with that terminology for myself, but you know, hey, we'll take it. So, so anyways, yeah, that's it. We just wanted to invite you. When can they find us, Jess?
Yes, again, that'll be December 18th from 5 to 7 p.m. And I will put the link down to that live stream down in the description below. You can set a reminder there, but we also recommend setting your own reminder on your calendar or whatever. That way, YouTube doesn't forget to remind you.
Yeah, exactly. And that is really the best way, too, because unless the stream gets enough attention right off the jump when I go live, they don't send it out to all the viewers. They'll wait an hour or two before they send the link to the live, and by then we're already finishing up. We've had that happen quite a bit. People are like, oh man, I missed it. So please set it on your calendar, set your own reminder to be there at the live stream. And what do they need to do to win any of this great stuff, Jess?
Yeah, in order to be able to win any of these items, you just have to show up and you have to be commenting. And we announce just before, you know, a few moments before we give away an item. And we say, you know, make sure you leave a comment. And we draw randomly from the commenters. And so all of the everything but the Anvil will be open worldwide. And then, of course, the Anvil, because it's being sent directly from the seller, that has to be, you have to be in the continental 48 states in order to win that. Yep.
So keep your mother maiden names and keep your stool samples. We don't require anything from you other than you just showing up. I said that specifically to get her to chuckle and blush. Look at that face right there. This is what type of fun we have in our streams. We really hope that we'll see you there. Again, thank you guys so much. We'll have some close-ups here in just a moment. So stick around for the end of the video, and we'll have some close-ups, shots and things of the different items that'll be in the stream thus far. And again, we hope to see you there. So that's it for today. God bless each and every last one of you. We hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you at December 18th at 5 p.m. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the workshop. Take two. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the workshop, and welcome to the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway.
This is a Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway.
Take three. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the workshop, and welcome to the Great Blacksmith Christmas Giveaway announcement.